What it do, you guys? It's your boy AlmightyKallejo, and right now we just got some food from Alberto's. You feel me? Food restaurant. It's looking good, and this is my very first mukbang. And let's get this started, bro. How you liking the food, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah. You Russell Westbrook now, nigga? That's all you gotta say?
Yeah.
Can you at least shake your head and... What?
Yeah.
This dude, bruh. But look, hey, you guys had a basketball game recently.
Yep.
How did it go?
We lost.
You guys lost?
Yep.
I mean, how many points did you score individually? I ain't gonna lie, you guys carried yourself. Like, I think you guys did pretty good. On the court. If I had any advice to your coach, it would be to make sure you guys' diamonds are perfect. We've been listening to a lot of Blueface recently, so I'm just trying to get an understanding on what that language is. I think that's a form of sign language. I'm not sure. This dude, man. Besides all this, you know, we got the same entree going on. I like my food a little different.
Goddamn. Oh, we black now.
Yeah, we black now. Oh shit! Why he doing that with his eyes? How you do that? But look, we gotta savor the sweetness of the lime.
The bee shot me.
The bee shot me. You heard? You know, I like all types of dips and dabbles on my food. You feel me? I got a few jalapenos. I don't have copyrighted that music. You feel me?
No.
Like,
On your intro, bro, you use your own music. Play it in the background.
that's smart, but I don't have a laptop.
We do. It's right there.
Broke my neck, nigga. Where?
Right there. You don't see it? It's like, you see that little box right there?
On a printer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You know how to play weed.
Yeah. But this food is good though. Like, No cap. Do y'all want a shout out?
Yeah, you do.
They've been in the kitchen lurking since I started the video.
You know, I expect you. Ooh. Hey, filet. What's you? Bubba, you hungry?
Yeah.
You want some?
Yeah.
Come here.
Oh shit.
Kayla snatched me.
Hmm?
Kayla
about to snap me in the face. Kelly is so ugly.
Yeah.
Sexually based offenses are considered especially heinous. In New York City, the dedicated detectives who investigate.
How do you feel about that, Moose? Does it taste good?
What?
Does it taste good?
It tastes like peanut butter.
Peanut butter? Peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
What?
Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that?
You said it tastes like peanut butter?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's a hammer like you do.
Why do you run off like that?
You got a lot of energy.
Zoom.
But I thought.
We got a job off a 911 call. People screaming in room 240. When we got up here, nobody answered the door. Security let us in.
I'm not gonna lie.
It's nasty, wet lies for you.
Take a look in that ice bucket.
You guys gonna see him make that shot.
My mama here.
If I'm not mistaken, that's a set of testicles.
Stepping at the back seat. I like a tapping.
Well,
We about to eat some.
we got six.
The heck no!
I ain't gonna lie, bro. And them pound cakes,
Come
I'm feeling it. Hey, look, ain't no law and order, but I got some cognac certified with some, chili peppers, and I got that lime, and I'm looking nice, and that light got that shine. Auntie,
Y'all got money, huh?
you feel me? It's a mukbang.
So, where Jamie at?
Back there, eating something too.
In the
Y'all
backseat.
all walked up here and got it?
Just me and him.
Yeah.
And who paid?
He did.
Oh, how much money you got?
Look, listen, I'm making a YouTube video, so that does not matter.
Oh,
Thank you.
well, I come up in my house and y'all are eating steak fries. And you need to say, auntie, you might want a burrito.
Auntie,
You want a burrito?
No, I don't.
how you doing? How was your day?
That's mine. Huh? I say that.
Mama, how's your day today?
Sheesh.
I say that.
I love you too.
She don't like
Queen Latifah! She smelled that bathroom. She smelled that bathroom. She was gonna hit the two-step. I don't have copyright for that, bruh. Ah, why didn't they mute the TV, bruh?
I got a question for you.
What's up, bruh?
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me hear something real quick.
Alright.
I got you down.
Look. Look.
Hey.
Look. Look. You know, the sunny outside. You know, a nigga got the rhymes. But baby, I'm just trying to push on it for one night. Little baby, I'm just trying to push on it for one night. Hold on, my nigga done really dropped the shine. Hold on, this corner outside will be the fries. Ooh, and I got the peppers tasting nice. Yeah, I'm on this beat, and you know I hit it twice. Damn, Lil Moose tryna hit the Dougie. Damn, and this nigga looking hella ugly. Goddamn, back up on the beat like Krusty. Ooh, hit him in the face with the ruppy. Damn, talk about my elbow. Hit a nigga, bow, 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 shell toes. Damn, hold on, wait. It's 10 minutes, so you know you gotta catch me on the beat again. Talking about the mukbang, a part 2. Ooh, hold on, auntie, don't rush me, ooh.
Don't roast me, ew.
But you feel me though? Tune in next time. You know I gotta wrap it up real quick though. I'll see you guys next time on the next video.
No, bro.
We have fun. And comment, like, subscribe if you're new. And we're gonna do all this again.
Bye,